let's talk a little bit about truth. We've talked a lot about lies. And there are, or at least there is one thing you can do to start to understand if someone's telling you the truth or not. It's watch their palms. People will show you their palms when they're telling you the truth. Well, let me back that up a little bit. When they're telling you their truth. So if they've passed a lot of other tests and then they say, we never went out partying last night in your car. Okay? They're telling you their truth. But see, that could be the truth. And you've got to run them through the other tests. Where are their eyes going? Are they doing convince? Are they doing convey? Are they fidgeting? Have they changed? Are they itching their face? And this is the last test. So you see every now and then athletes will go from being an athlete to being a preacher, like Tim Tebow has done that, and he's telling his truth because Jesus is the way. Okay. Now Lance Armstrong would always say, "Hey, I've never done drugs," right? As he nodded his head yes and showed his palms, telling his truth, and his body was saying, "Yes, I have." Okay. So watch for this. I'm telling you, it works.